Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do grave digging event in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Halloween update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Halloween update part 2 has been dropped in Grow a Garden and they have added new game, let's say game or event, and you can go to this NPC guys, the Gravedigger, and if I'm not mistaken it will appear every 2 hours. So every 2 hours you need to stand by and you will meet this Gravedigger, and then I'm going to talk to the NPC and click on, oops, sorry, I'm not gonna click this menu. Wait guys, okay, I'm going to click it again. I'm going to talk to the NPC and click on let's go grave digging. Okay, and at first you will get 10 trowels and you can use the trowel to dig, and you need to dig grave to get reward. And I'm just going to pick this one. Oops, I miss. Let's try this one. Yeah, this is a grave. Okay, just like this. And I got pumpkin. Okay, I got spooky egg. Okay, and then after 5 minutes your trowel will be updated, and then I'm going to close it guys, and I'm going to show you the possible rewards that you will get from this event. Okay, I just got this spooky egg which has highest possibility, right? And yeah, I think the rewards are so cool, but yeah, you need to wait for the trowel. Okay guys, and that's how we can do the grave digging event in Grow Garden Halloween update part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.